So hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my videos for my YouTube channel. So it's a very easy and simple way to do it, okay? Because I'm not an editing master, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. You will see it's very easy, even for a newbie like me, okay? So on the first video I showed you how to download the clips, the videos and even the sequences from Twitch right into UPC. If you didn't see this video and you want to watch it, don't forget to click on the box that's gonna be like appearing on your screen. If not, wait until the end of the video and you can click on the link that's gonna be on my description of this video. So the program that I use like to create my my videos is called Wondershare Filmora. I'm gonna put the link on the description, so you click on it and you will be redirected into this page. From there you go here to downloads, Filmora 9 for Windows, and you click on it and easy. Or you have a Mac, you click on for Mac, whatever, it's the same. So what is very important about this program is that you can use it for free. Like you can use every feature limitless, okay, or unlimited, sorry, okay. I mean, it's not like a 3, 4, 5 days trial. No, you can just go on for free, like full feature, okay. But the only difference between buying the full program or the free one is the moment when you create the video, there will be a little banner on your video showing Filmora, okay. If you wanna like create something professional, it's better you buy the full program. Just like me, it's a bit expensive, it's 60 euros, but believe me, you can do very good videos and very simple. So then the program is on your PC. After you download it, you double click on it. We wait a bit until it starts, okay. Then it's going to show up create new movie. You click on 16:9 and that full feature mode, you click on it and then you see it's going to show up. So I'm just going to drag a bit so that you see the most out of this this page, because my head is a bit like disturbing you for sure. So let me just delete those videos here. When you open up the first time, you see it like that. If you want to like add some videos on your program or on your video, you just go here, file, import media files, and then you go for your videos that you want to like add to your video. For example, we go here, just give me 1 second, there it is. We just double click it and you see it's going to appear here. So we will go for some more because I want to show you some other things. We go for 3 videos. Very easy, as you can see, okay. Until now, very easy, but I assure you it's going to be easy further on. So to add it to your video, you just click on the plus here and there you see it already on your video. If you want to put this one and put this one, just on the plus. Very easy until now. So for example, you see this video, or no, you're like, okay, I want to like put it at the beginning or in between them, the other ones. You just drag them and you see it's very easy, okay. So if you want to like add a music right into your video, just click here on music. Then you have some music for free that they give to you, give to you, like 51. If you want some other music, you just go like for the video, import media files, and you go for a music, whatever. I go for the Civil War drama 16 seconds sound, okay? And if you wanna like add it, you put on the plus and you see it right there. You can drag it wherever you want that the music is gonna show up, okay? You can crop it a bit, you know. You can also put it the full length, whatever. You can do it how you want, okay? Very easy, okay? So then if you want to add like a text, for example title or whatever, you just click like on the plus and then you edit your text. And what's very good about this program is that you just click on it and then you click on play here and you see what it's gonna happen with that thing that you're about to add to your video, okay? For example, transitions in between your videos, for example, to go from this video right into this video, so that you have like a smooth transition. You just go here, you have 178 transitions. You for sure will find some, and you just go here like to see what this transition does. You just click on it, play, and you see what it does. So very easy. And if you want to add it, again plus, and the transition is here. If you want to see the transition in your video, you just click on play.
We won the rounds.
And you see the transition and the new video. So very easy. As you can see, you can also put some filters, you know, to change the colors of your video. You can go for an overlay to do some effects, some elements for free, as you can see, you know. So very, very, very easy. Always the same, like you click on plus, it's going to show up right into your video, and it's very easy. For example, here plus, and you can drag it like you want, and you see here how it's gonna show up on your video. So very, very, very easy to do it. And then if you're finished, you're very happy about your video, you go here on export, create video, and then very important, VMV, okay? That's the format that is like accepted by YouTube. Then you put the name of your video, then the way where you want to save your video, and then the settings. The settings, as you can see, you can put encoder. I would like let it like that. The past quality, resolution. I for example, all my videos are on 720. My streams, because I stream in 720, but my recordings are 1080, so we will go for 1080 or 720, whatever. The FPS is 30, and then bitrate, you can do whatever you want. There is no problem. It's gonna just take longer to create your video, so put the most you can. And then the encoder, I just let it like that. I mean, it's very good always. And then you click on OK. You see here the size of your file, the duration, export, and it goes on. So very easy, as you can see. Okay, that's the way how I make my YouTube videos, and I think it's very effective. And I'm for sure, if you go on with this program, you can do better things. You can go really, really professional. But the problem is I stream so much. I don't have really the time, like really being focusing on this program. But for sure, you guys, you will have better ways how to use it. But that's my way how I make my videos. So that was it with my YouTube video today, my guide. If you liked it, don't forget to like it. If you have something like you say, hey Diaz, you could really change it, or whatever, a suggestion for a new guide that I could do, just comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm very happy about every support that you will give me, or every new support, and we will see next time when I'm making a new video. Bye bye, my friends. I love you all. Have a nice day, nice night. Bye.